Asta BIM project integrates with many 3D applications such as Autodesk Navisworks, Synchro, Tekla and DStudio. Now the idea here is that inside of the 3D drawing, be it a Revit model, there are a series of objects which have no concept of time, and one of the elements of BIM is 4D planning, where activities are imported from a planning application, in this instance Asta BIM project, and put that into Synchro in this case. So there is an import option for Asta BIM project, and I have imported my project into Synchro. And the idea here is that we have all of our activities, and in Synchro there are a number of objects, items that make up this 3D current 3D model. And what you would be doing is you would be dragging and allocating items, objects from the model onto the activity, and this would create a link, a timed dimension to the item inside of the object. And the beauty of this is that once we have our program linked up with our model, as we move the timeline, we're able to see the building grow. And if I was to move this past the crane, install crane activity, line 9 here, we can see now the crane has gone up. And the idea here is that we're able to see, are there any clashes in our work? Should we reorder it? Are we building around the crane? So as I say, the linking between the time element and the 3D object is part of BIM, one of the levels of BIM, which is called 4D, 4 dimensions. So it's very useful for seeing how the building is being built up by time. And some of these applications like Synchro have got nice video capabilities, so they can be used in all parts of the construction period. And obviously possibly BIM thereafter is for facilities management and asset management. So once all these items are linked to the plan, this can be exported back out to Power Project, and then the benefit of that is we are going to have all of our resources allocated to activities. So if we just look at this activity, for example, we can see that it has allocated a couple of these objects which have some cost and work rate, so we can use those items and we now have a fully resourced plan. So just in summary, Asta Power Project helps support 4D planning, part of BIM, where activities go from Asta, go out to a 3D BIM tool, tasks are linked to objects to add a dimension of time.